Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. This is Bala here. To anyone who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. And recently we started about doing that open low, open high concept that was working very well and good on an intraday basis. So yet in another video, I'm going to discuss about the concepts and the scanners which you have already shared on Telegram channel. That group, the link for the Telegram channel which I provided in my description. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are watching first time of my video, just kindly subscribe and support us and like my videos if you like it and share to your friends. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. We can try to do the best on your comment. Right, so a lot of thing someone are asking about the colors of this candle. First of all, so the colors which I have adapted, this black and red, sorry, black and blue, which I got. Black is the bearish day and blue is the bullish day. So someone was asking, everyone was seeing a red and green. So I thought to change my thing, so that's why I changed the color. But someone was asking red and green, like they're asking. So if you want change, you can change it from here. So if it is a green and would be a red, whatever the colors you want, you can. So everyone was asking about this color. Even it looks great. I'm not using the dark red and green along with the black. So normal chart would be like this green, this green, red would be the dark red. Yeah, maybe such a kind of way you are asking, but I have already seen this is a bright, so bright. So I was changed blue and black. But you can change whatever you want. But the candle price and data never ever changes. I think it looks great for me, that colors. But I mostly like that black and blue. So it was because I'm watching a long term back. So I'm not able to change because my mindset I change that chart. But as per your request, I change it this color. It will help you to find out. But for this video only. Okay. So if you are not subscribed, let me subscribe my YouTube channel and let me see what are the stocks we got it from today and how it is performed, that we will discuss here. And that alert which I was sending on Telegram channel, it is not sent by me. Someone was asking you how you sending the alerts like that. So that alerts were automated. I did automated, and that will come from the thing in charting. Whenever the charting which alert me, I'll be getting on this Telegram channel. It is automated. Let's say today we got intraday scalper buy. So nothing but we used that open high and open low concept. 2 days opposite directions. The first day should be the open low and second day should be the open high. Such a kind of concept. So first entry we got it on Ambuja Cement, and I already told you, if you are waiting for a trade, at least wait for another 5 minutes after market opening. When you got a breakout or a breakdown, you can try to take the trade, because market opening itself, if you get any signals by 9:16 or 9:17, that opening time, it may be open up, gap up and gap lower, and spikes will give you false signals. So even we will check it out on a 5 minute chart. First one is Ambuja Cement. We got it for entry. So first I will check it in daily chart. First of all, daily, yesterday candle should be open high, and today it started by 9:17 itself. We got the entry. Let's check it on a 5 minute chart. Can you see this? The first candle itself, we got our trigger. So after that, it never come back. So quickly it gives you the profit of 362, where we get the alert. The alert was getting from 359.15. So at this particular candle, it is a 5 minutes candle. Wherever it may be 359.15 is the entry point, and after that it is quick move. So that is why we are saying this as a scalper. So the quick entry and exit. So anytime the signal triggers, it will be automatically updated on Telegram. Then once you see the alert on Telegram, you can go to check the charts, and you can see That is the concept where we use. After this kind of movement, after that market has started falling down. Right. So this is what a key where we got the opportunity to make 3 rupees scalping in a quick way. So within a 30 minutes or 40 minutes, we have that opportunity. So right. So then second stock. So normally you don't go for a 917 or a 918 or 960. So just give me a 5 minutes. The market after opening, just give me a 5 minutes. It will be settled down. Once it is settled down, we can try. And the second one, which is happening on 919, Solar Finance. So you will check on a daily chart, Solar Finance, what happened on that. So if you are doing in a manual way where you are checking that kind of pattern which is present, it is very difficult. But using the scanners and screeners, we will easily find out the Chola Finance. Let's look at this is also be good. And previous day should be the open high around 626.90. And the next day it is breaken around 627.4. We got alert because we use the alert by 1 minute time frame. Every 1 minute only we are going to get alert. Maybe this 626.9 it may be broken on 918 to 919, but we get alert at the 1 minute close of the first that particular minute. So that is happening here at the time of 626. Just we'll check it on 5 minute chart. What will happen on that? Let's say on this candle we got an entry. This candle, because it is 920, so 5 we are using 5 minutes. In this candle itself we got an entry, and within the next 15 minutes it's reaching around 644 from 627.4. So almost 13 point with a quick move. And they say then one IDFC, I'll avoid IDFC because of the values less than 100 rupees or less than 50 rupees. It is a very low value stock and having high lot size. That should be avoid for intraday trading, because it is also be a 30 rupees stock. Even if it is 1 rupee, 1% would be a 0.3. Okay, so avoid such a kind of stocks. And the next one is SBI cards. We'll find out such an opportunity on SBI card on daily basis. Let's try to do on daily basis. SBI card. That's great. Previous day open high and today it broken that high, which is around 623.4. Yesterday high is 626.9. Sorry, this is Chola Finance SBI card. We are going to check it out. SBI cards. That is also working good. 720.90 is the highest price for yesterday, and where today the market is broken that level by 941 would be the best opportunity on that. In 5 minutes 941 should be our entry point. So where the market is started here at 940, maybe this particular bar we got a entry. This is the bar where, because the bar is started by 940 to 945 candle, we may be getting the trade alert at this bar alone. Once the trade alert is triggered, within a few minutes, almost 30-40 minutes, it reaching a 735. Let's check it out. 735 from 723 would be the best opportunity to give you 12 rupees profit in a quick session. You got it? So buy and sell, which is working very good for intraday trade. You just practice this one on a paper trade, or if you are able to take and Dalmia Bharat around 1260 at 942. You will first try with the equity, few stocks, 1 or 2 stocks, and then you can try with options or futures, whatever you want. This is happening at 942 at this point. Then from 1260 it went up to 1273, working good. And star around 304, that is happening at 947. Okay, this is also be good at 947, maybe here 947, 45 to 50. Yeah, at this particular candle it is broken that entry point, where entry around 304.75. 304.75 is the entry where the alert get triggered, and let's say it is taking a long term, almost 2 o'clock, it reaching around 309.75, working better and good. And how we can make a stop loss? Can we simply make a day low as a stop loss? That is also be better instead of making. But if you are a quick wait for a quick exit, 1 or 2 rupees, just keep the 1 or 2 rupees stop loss and target. And then Bharat Forge, Nestle, Go Forge, and take him. So take him, let's say take him lot of stocks which is you can go through, go to and back test. Take him. What happened for a take him? Intraday scalper buy at 10.16. Okay, this may be stop loss. Let's say this particular candle we got an entry triggered. This particular candle, if you are making recent low as this as a stop loss or day low as a stop loss, this simply triggers your stop loss from 997 to 980. But after your entry, it never gone to trigger higher value. And whenever the candle where it is triggered the entry and it start keep moving down, so you have to careful. You know the stop loss or this or this. You keep the stop loss because it's a scalping trade. If you are a scalper, you can recent low maybe stop loss, and if you are waiting for a long term, you can day low as a stop loss. But this is a trade where we get a trigger our stop loss. Just wait. Yeah, today we trigger our stop loss. After trigger our stop loss, and again it recover to the same price and the average price. So it is happening because it is a market. Ashok Leyland 137. The time around 10:34. Ashok Leyland. So that's good. Let's look at. Oh, it is also be, yeah, 10:34 maybe this at this point, and after that small movement and then went down to 35.90 and finally it reaching the target. Some stocks it is straightly going to the target, someone is slowly going, and someone is coming down and trigger your stop loss. So you need to keep your stop loss as per your risk ability. But the system is working good and best. And high momentum stock which we have already updating, so I will make a video for that high momentum stock. And buy scalper buy would be the best intraday signal which you can use for your intraday trade. Around this one is happening at a closing hours. If you get any stock which you got a alert on a closing hours, simply ignore. After a 2 o'clock or 2:30, if you get any new stocks, so just simply ignore, because we don't have a much time to wait for the positions to reach the target or stop loss. We don't have a time, so that time you can exit from the trade. You not exit, you should avoid the trade where you got a higher nearby closing hours. So even this is the alert where it is simply sending you the alert. So and finally you can see around 326.9. This is high momentum, but into total you can see 251. So if I'm checking into total, this was happening around 2 o'clock, 251. So nearby market closing, let's see, maybe this 251 as this on this particular candle we got a entry around 222.05. okay, if you check the daily chart, yesterday should be the open high and it was broken around 251. so if you are taking that particular point entry after we got only few minutes, and we cannot able to hold intraday time frame or something, right now intraday is not available. But even so we are not going to take carry forward, but from 222 it went up to 224. We don't want to take such a kind of risk on the closing hours. You simply ignore. If you any stock which you get a nearby closing hours, that is the concept where we can simply use for the trading. I hope I cleared all doubts and other questions on this pattern. So I'm going to sending you the alert on my telegram. It is going to continue, and if anyone who are making a profit using this method, let me share your views and any ideas also. I'm welcome. So if any changes required on the scanners and screeners, you can give your good idea. So even if it is best, so we can make some changes on the scanners and screeners, right? And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much, and we'll come to meet on next video. Thank you so much.